What's up, guys? We're rolling up to the traction meet right now. It's a pretty big turnout this time around. We're here in Plaza America, so let's roll up, see who's here, check out the cars. Let me know what your favorite car in today's video is today, guys, and let's get to it. We got the slime green Lambo rolling up. Oh, camera's blurry. Look at that color. That's crazy. I hear you, brother. It's Big B and the virus, man. So the usual suspects here at any lane hogs / traction meet. We got all the MOPARs, we got HELLCATs, we got Scat Packs, we got 392s, we got RTs, anything you could ever want. Oh man, this is nice race red Boss 302. It's like my old car, but not being poor. It's like the cool version of my old car, I should say. Carbon fiber, a little spoiler. I like that GT500 style. Oh my gosh, guys, it's Country Boy Earl. So we got the G bodies out here in numbers. We got 4 of them. Man, I think this would be a dope little project to get for the channel, man. This is clean. Damn, son. Man, the theme of tonight is clearly slime green, man. We got Country Boy Earl popping out the SRT Jeep.
Shout out to Heavy! Going across Texas, we love you!
So, next to you, very dirty boy, we got the homie in the single turbo Boss 302. I think we might be getting a run in tonight, so stay tuned for some video. I think it's crazy, man. Makes me want a Boss 302. Some half credit?
In the deserving car. He is half mine now.
Okay, there we go. There we go. We got some double trouble. We got the Camaros with the doors that go up. This dude's doors go up higher. We got the homie in the bagged Camaro. What's up? Drop him a follow. What's going on, boss? You can go drop him a follow right there. Oh, airing it out, airing it out. For the boys. Little E30 action. What's going on, boss? What's going on? How are you? We got the drip toner. What's going on, boss? What's going on? How are you? You can drop him a follow right there, guys. Official drip toner. Lady-driven Challenger pulling up as well. How are you? Doing good. You can drop her a follow as well.
Thank you.
And then, last but not least, a little bit of VQ action.
Big B TV, across Texas.
Yes, sir. The homie Damn David. What's up, boss? What's up? Doing good, man. Doing good. Yeah, for sure. We got Exo sipping with the Exo delete. Hey. The gold CTSV on the HREs, man. This thing is nice. That is very loud. I hear some supercharger blow off. I hear something. Oh, it's a ProCharge 2 valve. Ooh, no, it's a Vortec. Ooh. This man has balls of steel running a boosted 2 valve. Little GT350 action. What's going on, boss? What's going on? How are you, man? Got a little C7 Stingray action, man. I really like these wheels. Speaking of wheels, I got some new wheels that are just getting done getting made and just have to be sent off to me. But I do like these. Man, out of all the cars in the lot, man, this old G-body got my eye the most. This would be a sick project, man. This color's super nice, like dark blue. Super clean, man. That color's kind of cool. I'm a fan. Dude, I'm telling you though, when you're at a Traction X Lane Hoggs meet, it's gonna be a lot of MOPAR. A lot of MOPAR. It's like matte white. It's nice. And then the crazy headlights. Look at those, man. That's wild. Single turbo Boss 302 rolling out.
But I like most of them.
Got the homie rolling out in the GTR. I think he's rolling out, or is he just backing in right here? This color's super nice. Oh, he's just moving over here. Please don't get me demonetized, Travis Scott. We got the Street Legends rolling up. We got Destroyed Joker, the Joker themed RT Charger. We got the Z28, very nice. Yes, sir. The gold chrome vet. Quite a head turner, to say the very least. It's actually a really good gold wrap too. And then this really nice color. It's like matte turquoise, but very clean. I do like this wrap a whole lot. Now truck guys, I'm looking to get a truck here pretty soon. I like how F-250s look on the outside, but the Dodge trucks have Ford trucks beat by miles on the interior. And the Chevy trucks are just too ugly now for me to get. That is some sparkly paint. Listen to this. The Monte Carlo SS action. These all sound really good. Boy, do I need a G-body for the next project, man? These are sick. Especially this one, man. This is my favorite here. Swinging and banging, baby. For real, yeah. Oh man, this is wide. What's this, like a Liberty Walk Challenger? Liberty Walk Hellcat? This is crazy. Oh my God, this thing is so wide. This thing is crazy though. Oh, hold on. Jesus, that thing is so wide. Oh my God. We got the Lambo pulling back up again. Round 2 with them. There's some sparkly paint on the Lambo. The donk life, baby. Look at that. What? Jeez. Gotta get that thumbnail pic for the video. Look at the meat, man. Climbed up to the top of the parking garage up here. Get the best view in the house. Hella MOPARs. He doing a burnout. The police are right over there. Let's go down a couple steps. Man, someone pull him over. The cop's headlights out. He's on the prowl for someone to get. I think they're doing donuts over there or something, so he might be going to get them. There ain't many dogs this meet, but I gotta have one in here for the video, man. Oh my goodness. There's dogs across Texas here. Interesting, we got a 6th Gen Z01 with a duck bill on it. I kinda like that. Guys, look at this dog. Oh my God. Look at this puppy. Oh my goodness. Nice, clean little Infinity rolling up. Carbon fiber everywhere. Little M4 action as well on those 4-Steiner wheels, man. That thing is clean. Got the homie Brandon rolling up. Oh, we got the 2-step. I guess the cop showed up or something. Look at the stampede. Where did all those people come from? What the hell? You know there was a cop. Oh, hold up. I hear some rowdy noises coming out of something over here. Brother. I hear an S2000 that's no longer a Honda. What, LS2? LSX? Oh shit! Oh my God, man, that's crazy. We got a 570 Spider rolling up, man. All these exotics coming out in a GTR right there.
This is the most ghetto shit in town.
Must be lost. We got an R33 here.
I love them.
Oh! That's a Roush Razorback. There's only like 25 of them. Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna head out. It's getting a little too swing mid-ish for me now, so we're gonna dip. I think I'm gonna go get some runs in. Definitely in Mexico, you know the deal. But hopefully enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know what your favorite car in it was down in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.